Your broker app can place a trade in 1 second. But it can't tell you which trade. That's why serious traders quietly use a second layer of platforms, screeners, options analyzers, charting tools, backtesters. Most have generous free plans. Most beginners have never heard of them. In this video, the full toolkit, what each platform does, what's free, and how to combine them into a workflow. One note before we start. This video is not sponsored by any platform, and it is not investment advice. Prices are as of July 2026. Always check the site for current plans. Here's the map for this whole video. Every trade has 6 jobs. Screen, filter 5,000 listed stocks down to 20 worth your time. Research, read the company's actual numbers. Chart, time your entry and exit. Then, for F&O traders, strategize, building the option position. Backtest, test your rule on years of history before risking money. And underneath it all, learn. Your broker app does none of these. It only executes. So we'll take the 6 jobs one by one and meet the best platforms for each. 6 parts. Let's go. Part 1. Screeners and fundamentals, the tools that turn 5,000 stocks into a shortlist. The workhorse of Indian fundamental research, Screener.in. Let me show you, live, on screen. Watch the query box. I type a filter in plain language, return on capital above 20, debt to equity below 0.3. And hit run. Now watch the table. The weak companies get struck out one by one, high debt, low returns, gone. 5,000 listed stocks collapse to just 23 matches. Every survivor gets a green pass badge, and each one links to a clean page with 10 years of sales, profits, margins and shareholding. The free plan covers everything you just saw. Premium is 4,999 rupees a year for alerts and Excel exports. If you bookmark one site from this video, make it this one. 3 modern screeners build on that base, and each has a signature visual. Watch. On the left, Trendline's DVM score. 3 rings filling up, durability 72, value 58, momentum 81. Quality, price and trend, each compressed into one honest number. In the middle, Tickertape's Market Mood Index. Watch the needle swing, past fear, into the greed zone at 62. One glance tells you if the whole market is euphoric or terrified. And on the right, StockEdge, a phone-first app whose daily scans light up, 52-week breakouts, volume spikes, FII buying. Analytics in your pocket. Trendline from around 119 rupees a month, Tickertape from around 249, as of July 2026, check the sites. Start free on all 3. Part 2. Charting, because even a great stock bought at the wrong time feels like a bad stock. For charts, one platform became the global standard, TradingView. Watch a chart come alive. First the candles draw in, green for up days, red for down days, each one a day's battle between buyers and sellers. Then the yellow line glides over them, a moving average, smoothing the noise into a trend you can actually see. Next, a trend line snaps onto the lows, that's the drawing toolbar on the left, every tool a pro uses. And below, a second pane, the RSI, oscillating between overbought at 70 and oversold at 30. Price above, momentum below, one screen, the full story. Indian brokers like Zerodha and Dhan connect directly, so the trade happens from the chart. The free plan is genuinely usable. Learn here before paying anyone for a special indicator. TradingView charts one stock beautifully. But which stock should you even open? That's charting. Watches can get built. Condition 1 slides in, RSI crossed above 60. Condition 2, price above the 200-day average. Condition 3, volume double its normal. All picked from drop-downs, zero code. Now, run scan. The results populate in real time. 5 stocks out of the whole NSE pass all 3 conditions, each with today's move drawn as a bar. That's your day's watch list, built in 30 seconds, for free. So parts 1 and 2 combine into a funnel. A fundamental screen finds good companies. Charting finds which are moving now. TradingView times the entry. Shortlist, signal, timing. Part 3. Options, where trading without an analytics tool is like flying blind in a storm. Now, Sensible, India's largest options platform. Watch it build a real strategy, live. Step 1. Pick a view. We tap bullish. It suggests a bull call spread. Step 2. The legs appear. Buy the 23,800 call for 150 rupees. Sell the 24,000 call, collecting 60 back. Net cost, 90 points. And now, the part that saves accounts. The payoff graph draws itself. Look at the numbers popping in. Maximum profit, 110. Maximum loss, capped at 90. Break-even, 23,890, marked in yellow. Every rupee of risk visible before the order is placed. Most option losses come from traders who discovered their real risk after entry. This graph is how you never become one of them. Pro is free for Zerodha users, paid on other brokers, as of July 2026. 3 more names complete the options bench. Opstra, from Definage, goes deeper on analytics, implied volatility charts, futures open interest, and strategy simulation. Traders who study their positions love it. QuantSap is the professional end, a data-heavy platform for traders who treat options as a numbers problem at premium prices. And NiftyTrader.in is the free daily reference, option chain, max pain, put-call ratio, and FII data at zero cost. The ladder is simple. Start free with Sensible and NiftyTrader. Graduate to Opstra or QuantSap only when your strategies genuinely get complex. Part 3 done. Never trade an option without seeing its payoff first. Part 4. Backtesting, the difference between I think this works and I tested this on 10 years of data. So you have a trading rule. Does it actually work? Watch a backtest answer that in seconds. The rule types itself in plain English: buy when price crosses the 20-day high, stop loss 1%, target 2. That's streak, from the Zerodha stable, no code anywhere. Hit backtest. And here comes the equity curve, 60 trades compressed into one line. Watch it climb, stumble, and climb again. See that red valley in the middle? That's the max drawdown, the deepest fall from a peak. The backtest is asking you an honest question: could you have sat through that without quitting? The stats land at the bottom: 60 trades, a 50-something% win rate, 2-to-1 average win. A real edge, but a bumpy one. Algotest does this for F&O strategies with free core backtests. StockMock for intraday options. TradeTron deploys strategies live. One honest warning before you fall in love with a backtest. Next scene. Here's what a backtest says versus what it doesn't. The backtest says, this rule made 40% a year for 10 years. Reality, past patterns can stop working. A backtest is evidence, never a guarantee. You tweaked parameters until the curve looked perfect. That's called overfitting. You optimized for history, and history won't repeat exactly. Test on data the rule has never seen. And most backtests quietly ignore brokerage, slippage and taxes, which eat thin edges alive. Always include costs. Used honestly, backtesting is the single best filter between a real edge and a story you told yourself. That's part 4. Part 5. The information layer, news, mutual funds, IPOs, and ready-made portfolios. Next, the information layer, 4 dashboards where you check facts, not opinions. Top left, money control, watch the headlines stream past. News, results, and the portfolio tracker most of India already uses. Top right, value research, the mutual fund referee. Watch the stars fill in, independent ratings that cut through fund house marketing. Bottom left, Chittorgarh, the IPO tracker. Those bars filling up are subscription numbers by category, QIB, NII, retail. And note the warning, the grey market premium shown there is unofficial data, never a listing prediction. And bottom right, the NSE and BSE official sites, announcements, FII flows, circulars. Remember the pulsing line, when two websites disagree on a number, the exchange wins. One more platform sits between doing it yourself and mutual funds, small case. Watch how a basket comes together. 5 stocks fly in, one by one, a bank, an IT name, a jeweler, an engineer, a pharma company, each with a weight. 22%, 24, 18, until the total locks at exactly 100. That's a small case, a curated basket around a theme, built and rebalanced by a SEBI registered manager. And the clever part, follow the particles flowing to the right. The basket executes through your own broker, so every share lands in your demat, under your control. Free small cases exist, managed ones charge subscription fees, read the fee page first. And remember, structure and discipline, yes. A shortcut past understanding what you own, no. That's part 5. Part 6, the layer under everything else. Learning. Because no tool can outperform its user. Every platform so far amplifies your decisions. This part makes the decisions better. Watch the bookshelf build, Zerodha Varsity's modules rising one by one, intro to markets, technical analysis, fundamentals, futures, options theory, taxation. Every single one free. Watch the progress bars fill, that's you, module by module, at your own pace. If you read nothing else in this entire video, read Varsity. SEBI and the exchanges add official investor education, your rights and scam warnings from the regulator itself. Trading Kana, Zerodha's forum, answers the practical questions no course covers. And the red panel on the right is what to run from, guaranteed returns, sure short paid tips, unregistered advisors, profit screenshot bragging. If returns are guaranteed, walk away. Learn before you leverage. So which tools do you need? Not all of them. Pick the stack that matches your style. A long-term investor needs just 4. Screener. Into filter, value research for funds, small case or coin for the portfolio, and Varsity's basics. A swing trader lives in a different stack, charting scans to find movers, trading view to time entries, streak to test the rules, money control for news. An options trader, sensible for strategy and payoff, Nifty trader and Opstra for data, Algotest for backtests, and Varsity's F&O module, twice. Notice something. Every stack starts free. 3 or 4 tools, not 15. Before the checklist, 3 myths about tools themselves. Myth 1. A paid tool will make me profitable. Truth. Tools improve your decisions. They cannot create an edge you don't have. A payoff graph shows the risk. It doesn't remove it. Myth 2. More tools means better trading. Truth. Tool hopping is a sophisticated form of procrastination. The best traders use 3 or 4 tools deeply. Myth 3. The screener's output is a buy list. Truth. A screen is a short list. 20 names out of 5,000 still need research. That's the next tool's job, and finally yours. So here's the 5-point checklist before you spend a rupee on any platform. 1. Start with free tiers. Screener, Charting, TradingView, Sensible on Zerodha, Nifty Trader, Varsity. Free covers 80% of a beginner's needs. 2. 1 tool per job. A screener, a chart, an options tool, a backtester. Overlapping subscriptions are wasted money. 3. Verify pricing on the official site. Plans change, videos like this one age. 4. Pay only when the free tier is genuinely the thing limiting you. Not before. And 5. No tool replaces learning. Finish the relevant Varsity module before any paid subscription. The order matters. The full toolkit, at a glance. 2 Screener.in, free, or $4,999 a year, plus Trendline, Tickertape and Stockage. 2 Chart, TradingView, the global standard, with charting for free NSE scans. For options, Sensible, payoff graph before every trade, with Opstra and Nifty Trader. 2 Backtest, Streak, Algotest, StockMock, Honestly, including costs. And the information layer, Money Control, Value Research, Chittorgarh for IPOS, with Zerodha Varsity underneath it all, free. Remember the pattern, every stack starts free, and 3 or 4 tools used deeply beat 15 used shallowly. This video is not sponsored by any platform. Prices are as of July 2026, check each site. And none of this is investment advice, consult a SEBI registered advisor before investing. Thanks for watching, and happy building.